This brand offers dedicated horizontal units as well as multi-position models and feature louvered panel construction, which does a superior job of protecting the condenser coil from hail and debris from lawnmowers. They have durable scroll compressors with variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation. The units use all aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts, and the units are backed by a very good warranty, but they are relatively loud in operation with sound levels of up to 80 decibels even though they have compressor sound blankets. The DP5HH models are basic heat pumps with a 13.4 CO2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency that are for dedicated horizontal installations, while the DP5HM units are field convertible for either downflow or horizontal applications. They are noisy in operation with a 80 decibel rating, which is equivalent to an alarm clock. The DP5HH and DP5HM models are premium heat pumps with two-stage compressors, a 15.2 CO2 cooling efficiency, and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency. They are quieter with a 78 decibel noise rating and are backed by a good warranty that includes total unit replacement if the compressor fails within 6 years of installation. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.